The unexpected first look of Galaxy Z Flip 5 is here, and you guys will be impressed with how well Samsung manages the outer display on Galaxy Z Flip 5. This is the first look of Galaxy Z Flip 5, and you guys take a closer look at the outer display. It covers most of the back area and the display is squared off. If you need numbers on how big the display is, then as per reliable source, this new display is around 3.4 inches instead of 1.9 on last year. If you guys notice, the display is divided into two parts. A smaller display next to dual camera setup and a bigger display which is 3.4 inches. Also, the aspect ratio of this new display is 1:1.038, almost squared screen. And with this new display, you can now easily interact with notifications, access quick settings, and also a way better camera viewfinder than the last generation. Obviously, if you're a widget person, this is an added feature for you. There are a couple of more updates we are going to get on the Galaxy Z Flip 5 which you guys will love the most, including some confirmed news regarding the battery size of Galaxy Z Flip 5. Things are confirmed that Galaxy Z Flip 5 will going to get a bigger battery than the last generation, and as a safe guess, and according to the source, the battery size of Galaxy Z Flip 5 will be around 3900 mAh. Now your Flip 5 can easily last all day long without worrying about battery life. You guys know why we get bigger battery? Because of a new hinge design, which is a water drop hinge obviously. After this, there will be no gap when the phone is folded, and this new hinge design will come with IPX8 rating waterproof certification. If you are thinking of getting Flip 5 and considering the performance side of a thing, then Galaxy Z Flip 5 will going to come with Snapdragon Gen 2, just like Galaxy S23 series. And getting this processor will improve the battery life of Galaxy Z Flip 5 also. According to Ice Universe, we may see a new touchscreen technology on Galaxy Z Flip 5, but for now it is not confirmed which technology we are going to see on Flip 5. One thing is certain, the new screen might come with little to no visible crease when the phone is unfolded. As per Samsung tradition, we are going to see Flip 5 in August along with Fold 5, Tab S9 and Watch 6. I know you are among 24% of the people who came this far. If you're the one, then make sure to subscribe for more amazing videos. If you guys want to see the first look of Galaxy Z Fold 5, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.